Hello friends, welcome to Fireman's Tech. This is Realme XT smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set a ringtone in your phone Realme XT. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click on settings from the notification area and select sound and vibration. Now click on SIM1 ringtone. Here the first option is select from files. So music files will be displayed here. If you have music file in your SD card, that will be displayed here. Just pick up any one here. Yes, that has been set here. If you want to set any other tone, these are all the system ringtone, that is phone ringtone. Just pick up any one and go back to activate. Yes, it is activated. In a similar way, you can set a ringtone for SIM2. Clicking on select from files, you can choose any music file here. Otherwise, choose from a tone in the system ringtones. In a similar way, you can select SIM1 message tone. Select from files, otherwise select from system ringtones. This is SIM2 message tone. This is also similar to what I have done previously. Just select from files, that is select from your local files, or select from system ringtones. Next, default notification ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done for ringtone and message tone. Just select any music file from your local folders, otherwise select from the system ringtones. Here you can see a lot of tones. This can be only controlled. Just turn on or turn off. So in this way, you can easily set ringtone in your phone, that is for SIM1 and SIM2. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then.